Hello, esteemed viewers. Welcome to our maths tutorial for today. In today's class, we are going to solve for x in this maths Olympiad question that says x to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x divide 4 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x equal to 17. We are asked to find the value of x. It's going to be a simple equation and we're going to find fun solving it. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so as to get a subsequent Maths Olympiad solution content once they are published. And also don't forget to also press the bell icon so as to be notified when we upload such content. To solve this question, we are going to start with by factoring out the equation. From the equation, we find out that there are factors that are higher. We're going to factor such factors out. Factors like 8 and 4, we factor them out. When we look at the two values, from the two values, we find out that 2 to the power of x is common. When we remove 2 to the power of x from 8 to the power of x, we're going to have 4 to the power of x remaining minus this will remain 1 and this will be divided by 2 to the power of x is common too. We'll have 2 to the power of x remaining here minus 1 and this will be equal to 17. So from this expression, we can simply see that 2 to the power of x will cancel 2 to the power of x. So we'll be left with 4 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of x minus 1. So that expression will give us 4 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of x minus 1, and that will be equal to 17. From that expression, we want you to know that 2 to the power of 2 is still equal to 4. So we're going to use this exponent value, and remember we already have an exponent value here, so it's going to multiply that exponent value. So that will give you 4 to the power of 2, 2x minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of x minus 1, and this will be equal to 17. So we'll simplify this expression further. For that expression, you should also note that one simple logic that 2 to the power of 2x can be equal to 2 to the power of x all squared. Still the same thing. So if we use that expression there, we're going to have 2 to the power of x all squared minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of x minus 1, and that will be equal to 17. From all ramification, we can be right if we put a square here, because one square is still equal to a square, and that will make that a perfect square. So if we look at that perfect square, from that perfect square, remember that according to algebraic expression or formulas, if we have a to the power of square minus b to the power of square, this will give us the value a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we're going to use the algebraic formula to simplify that expression. If we use the algebraic formula to simplify that expression will give us 2 to the power of x minus 1 on one side, and then we'll have 2 to the power of x plus 1 on one side. All will be divided by 2 to the power of x minus 1 equal to 17. From here, you can see that this is common is with this, so they will cancel. And once they cancel, we have simplified that expression. That expression will now give us 2 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 17. From here, 1 will cross over to this point, and then we'll have 2 to the power of x equal to 17 minus 1. So 2 to the power of x will be equal to 16. If we simplify further, you're going to see that you see that 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4 will give us 16. So this will give us 2 to the power of x equal to 2 to the power of 4. Since they have same root according to the rules, the exponent or the power we equate to x will be equal to 4. This is the value of x that satisfies the exponential equation. So if we want to check if this is correct, we are going to put in that value into the original equation. Remember the original equation, we are given 8x minus 2 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x, and we are told that it is equal to what? 17. So this will give us 8 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 divide 4 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4. This will give us the expression 8 to the power of 4 will give us 4096 minus 16 divided by, this will give us 256 minus 16. And when you divide that, when you subtract that, that will finally give us 4080 divided by 240. And when you divide this, we're going to have what? 17. That's what we're going to have. So that shows us that x being equal to 4 is the complete solution to that exponential equation. Thanks so much for solving. This is what we'll have for you today. Thanks so much for listening. This is what we'll have for you today, and I look forward to seeing you watch our subsequent videos. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also do share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.